Great, right? People, when you use the coffee machine afterward, don't forget to clean it. Today we have the Euro Kangaroo and my name's Zoe to show you how to clean the coffee machine. First of all, before you switch off the anything, you need to press the power off button. That's very important because the machine itself needs to clean internally and also there will be some water coming out. So make it to work count for, I don't know, 5 seconds. Okay, great. 5 seconds. It should be all done internally for cleaning. Then we switch it off and remove the plug. At all times, never touch anything at the back. Just remove the plug, okay? Then once you push it back to the office, you need to remove everything and your dirty towel. So make sure inside there is some used capsule. Don't just throw to the bin. We actually got a recycle box. It's right outside at the reception, okay? Once you empty that, then put through the sink. And same as those two. Be careful because there is water inside, so make sure you tip it. And you need to remove those. So, this is a little bit tricky. This one and the straw, we don't need it anymore, so we just chuck to the bin. We don't need to wash them. And then everything to wash. I know there is a little bit of milk inside, but we don't reuse it because the milk have been out for a while, so we can't put back into the fridge. So everything needs to go to the sink. And don't forget, you possibly use more than one milk, so don't forget this one or else it will be very stinks next day. So you need to remove this part and soak it into boiling water for overnight. So just find a random cup. Kangaroo, can you pass me that one? That cup behind you. Perfect. So we just soak it in boiling water and then we just leave it there. Perfect. And now we can focus on the cleaning. First of all, we're going to remove the milk first. So clean all the milk. While I'm soaking them, then I'll start cleaning those. So those one can all remove into parts. So all into pieces. And also need to clean inside out, or else if there's any milk left there, it will become very moldy and stinky, okay? So once you clean it, just leave it on the bench for a while, then we'll dry it later. So after we clean all the parts, then we can go back to the milk can. And make sure you put the brush inside the milk can to brush it a little bit as well. So because you can see this milk stains inside. So we actually need to rub it a little bit. Make sure you rinse it properly because no one wants to drink milk with detergent. Done. So for the milk can stay, we put it in the drying rack. Lovely. But for all the parts, we actually need to put it back into the machine, ready for the next people to use it. Before we do that, we actually have a good clean for this area. And don't forget, if you use Milo, you need to wash the spoons as well. Good. And before you put things in, make sure you have a quick check and make sure they all fill. Like if you see anything is quite empty, you actually need to top it up. Same as the tea and the sugar and the sticks as well. And don't forget the chocolate. So where you can find those is actually in the drawer. So if you open the first drawer, you should be able to find a key. So the key will open this drawer. Let's open it. So inside should have extra chocolate powder, some sugar, some different boxes. You can top it up into that drawer. Some keys around this area as well. And the stick is there. So everything should be here. If there's anything you use up or you can't find it, let the receptionist know and then we can reorder it and top it up as well. So here is quite perfect, nice and clean. And I will continue to put back the things to order. So make sure to put back things together. Sometimes these two, you want to mix it up and just make sure they're put back into the right position. All done, nice and clean. And if you want to final check everything, check those two and make sure you have done perfectly. Yeah!